OSHA 30 general industry is not required but is recommended for safety directors, foremen, and field supervisors. All workers in general industries can benefit from it. Examples of these industries include manufacturing, warehousing, distribution, and healthcare. OSHA 30-hour Outreach for General Industry course is your guide to creating a culture of safety in your workplace. You'll get a comprehensive look at the policies, procedures, and standards covered by OSHA 29 CFR 1910. You'll learn about the basic elements of a workplace safety and health program and how to manage both. This includes understanding an employer's responsibility for worker safety as well as workers' rights to learn about the potential hazard on their job. The course also covers all the hazards you might encounter in many different industries, from scaffolding to bloodborne pathogens. You'll learn about essential safety procedures like lockout tagout protocols, machine guarding mechanisms, and industrial hygiene. 26 modules total, and some of the topics this course will cover: ergonomics, permit required confined space, introduction to OSHA, managing safety and health, personal protective equipment, emergency action plan, electrical safety, scaffold, hazardous waste operations and emergency response, also known as HAZWOPER, safety and health programs. When you successfully complete the course and pass the final exam, you will receive a DOL card in the mail in 2 weeks. You will also be able to view and print your temporary certificate of completion. There will also be a combo course of the OSHA 10-hour and 30-hour outreach training for general industry. I will put the link in the description below. Many thanks to Ben Sound for his free music beats downloads and purchases. Go and check out his site, in which I will have his link in the description below as well. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below on any course you would like to see or get certified in. I will surely send you a link personally to check out. You can also check me out on Facebook, Markie Williams, and there I will also have an online certification page you can like and follow as well. Many thanks, Markie Williams, and I'm out.